This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Hal Barnett. This home sits in a great North Valley location with easy access to Old Town and shopping. It could possibly be a great investment home, a home for first-time home buyer, or empty nesters. It has a very nice sized backyard. Roof replaced October 29, 2021. It has hardwood floors and an open floor plan. There is also a nice sitting area with extra closet off the master bedroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Hal Barnett at 505-898-8899.